Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new Valorant video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use sprays in Valorant. Basically, sprays actually is pretty much different and it depends on the gun that you are using. There is some guns that you can spray with them and there is some guns that definitely you can't spray with them. So, for example, if you want to play and let me just open the shooting test and I will click on enter. I will show you the different kind of guns, and guys, you will decide which guns are actually possible to be sprayed with. There is some guns, of course, that you can spray with and you can not spray with. So I will show you everything now. Now, let's choose, for example, Jet, which is something that I like. So as you can see, spraying, which is basically just like shooting really fast. So this one is like you can't really spray with it because as you can see the gun really doesn't like as you can see you have to like shoot and wait, shoot and wait, shoot and wait, shoot and wait to be like more specific. But for example, if we try it in Guts Phantom, as you can see the gun if you zoomed in, you really can actually spray with. You just have to like control it. And the same for Odin for example, but it is really hard to control. So as you can see with Odin, the moment you actually focus on the wall, for example, focus with me on the wall and look what I'm doing. So actually you see that my mouse is actually going up, but it is not the case. My mouse is actually not moving, but the gun is the one which is moving. So in order to actually spray well with this gun, you will have to actually make the contrast like the reverse of what it's happening. So the gun is going up, so you have to drag your mouse down. So this, for example, like that. So you have to control it more. And this is an example of spraying. And basically, guys, for those who want to actually one tap, you I really high like recommend to use Vandal instead of Phantom because Vandal is really good at one tapping, but Vandal is kind of like weird this thing and basically like using a phantom is less damage if the enemy got like 140 damage. You will not give him like if the enemy was away from you like 15 to 30 meter, you will not actually one shot him. Instead you need them to be like really close to you. Instead if you were losing for example the Vandal, you will be able to one tap anyone in the map. So if you do something like that, you will one shot them. But instead, if you like did something like that, you will you will like one tap him in the head, but you will not kill him because it will still need one more shot. The other thing actually to control your spray. So let's try for example Guardian. As you can see, Guardian is a gun that you can't really spray with. So if you I came like that, I can't really spray with. I have to keep clicking. And some guns that you have to spray with, what you don't really need to use the scope with. For example, the stinger. So if you can see here, I'm actually spraying, but if I clicked on the scope, I can't really spray. It stops. I'm clicking now on the mouse, but it stops when it shoots like I don't know 5 shots or something like that. So some guns they can spray, but at the same time you can spray with them if you were scoping or zooming. So like this gun. So yeah, guys, I hope you learned something from this video. Just the basic things. Just try to go the reverse of what your gun is doing. For example, if I go went ahead and played with the Vandal on the Phantom, I just have to like shoot a little bit and stop. If you were playing with the Odin, you just have to go down. So let's start shooting and then start going down so you can shoot in the body or the head. And for the other guns, they don't really have the possibility to spray with. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.